morning student. Today we are going to learn resistor in series. What is mean by resistance? The electric component which opposes the flow of electric current through the electric circuit is called as a resistance. What is the symbol of resistance? You can see zigzag line like a structure or a symbol represent the resistor. It is represented by the capital letter R. You can see here, this is the symbol of resistor or resistance. When all resistances are connected in a one line, one after another, then it is called as a resistor in series. So when all the resistances are connected in the same line, then what is the total resistance of the electric circuit? Today we are going to learn the derivation regarding to that. That is, when resistances are connected in series, then what is the effective resistance of the whole circuit? Effective means total resistance of whole circuit. Now you can see here in this electric diagram, three resistances are connected one after another. So they are present in a single line. Such an arrangement is called as a resistor in series. You can see this electric diagram. Capital A is nothing but ammeter which measure the current. Capital V is nothing but voltmeter. It is used to measure the voltage or potential difference present in the electric circuit. This is the symbol of plug key. That is, this is the button. When we close the plug key, the current will flow in the electric circuit. When we open the plug key, then current does not flow through the electric circuit. This is the symbol of battery, E. Always remember, battery has a positive and negative terminal. Then, how this electric circuit work? When all resistances are connected in series. Now you can see first the definition of resistor in series. The ends of three resistors are connected so that they follow one after other in a single line is called as resistor in series. In such an arrangement, same current flows through each resistor. Now you can see the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram you can see when we close the plug key, the electric current will flow. The value of electric current you can see R1, R2, R3. The value of current is same, that is capital I. But when we measure the potential difference across R1, R2 and R3, these potential difference is different. The potential difference across the resistor R1 is V1. The potential difference across the resistance R2 is V2. And the potential difference across R3 is V3. Always remember, when resistors are connected in series, they have same value of current but different value of potential difference or voltage. Now you can see here the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series in a circuit. That is, they are present in the same line. Now you can see if V1, V2 and V3 are potential difference of every resistor R1, R2 and R3 respectively, then the total voltage in the circuit capital V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Equation number 1. Now if Rs is the effective resistance means total resistance of the electric circuit. Here the symbol S represent for series combination. That is S symbol for series combination. That is, all resistances are connected in series. So Rs is the effective resistance. So using Ohm's law, we know that what is the Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IRS. V1 is equal to IR1. V2 is equal to IR2. And V3 is equal to IR3. Putting all these values in equation 1. That is, replace these values with these values. So replacing the value, you will get IRS is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Now take I common from this, from right hand side. That is, IRS is equal to I in bracket R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I get cancelled from both sides. You will get Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if resistors are connected in series, the effective resistance is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot dot RL. That is, when all the resistors are connected in series, then total resistance of the circuit is sum of all resistances. Always remember, when resistors are connected in series, then total resistance of the electric circuit is sum of all resistances. That is, effective resistance is equal to Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot dot Rn.